In this video, I'll guide you through how to log out of the Claude AI app. Maybe you're switching devices using a shared phone or tablet, or you just like to be extra careful with your accounts. Whatever the reason, logging out is quick and simple once you know exactly where to tap. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open the Claude AI app on your device and make sure you're on the main screen where you normally see your conversations. That's important because the controls you need to log out are easiest to access from there. Take a second to let the app fully load so everything appears as expected. Now look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a small person icon, usually representing your profile or account area. This is your gateway to account-related settings. Go ahead and tap that person icon. When you do, a sidebar should slide out or appear on the left side of the screen. This sidebar is where Claude AI keeps navigation items and some account details. You might see options like your chats, settings, or other tools depending on your version of the app. Don't worry about those for now. What you're looking for is all the way at the bottom of this sidebar. Scroll or glance down to the very bottom of that left-hand panel. There you should see your name or your initials displayed. This is your profile area. It might be shown as a circle with your initials or your full name depending on how your account is set up. That's the item you want to tap next. Tap on your name or initials at the bottom of the sidebar. When you do this, a small pop-up menu should appear. This menu is dedicated to actions related to your account. Give it a moment to appear, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow. In this pop-up menu, look for the option that says log out. This is the command that will sign you out of the app on this device. Carefully tap log out. As soon as you select it, the app may ask for a brief confirmation, or it may simply process your request and return you to a sign-in screen or a welcome page. Once you're logged out, you should no longer see your past conversations or your account details on this device. If you do still see your chats or your profile picture, try closing and reopening the app to confirm that the logout was successful. After that, anyone using this device would need to sign in again with valid credentials to access your account. That's all there is to it. You tap the person icon in the bottom left, tap your name or initials at the very bottom of the sidebar, and then choose log out from the pop-up menu. If you ever need to log out again in the future, just repeat these same steps.